In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this sunburst mesh scene. This how the scene looks like. There's a scaled sphere blocking the environment light. The sunburst mesh is an arrayed mesh. I'll show you the details shortly. Please remember to set the clip start and end settings for both the scene and the camera, if the mesh has become too large. The camera was rotated like this. Let's create a text and edit it. Extrude and bevel as usual. I'll use a plane as the background object for the text. Let's create a cube, and type G, Y, and 1 to move it 1 unit on the Y axis. We can move the origin to the 3D cursor and start scaling. Type G and Z, as in zebra, to move the face up like this. Let's create an empty object and use the array modifier to create instances. Ctrl A to reset all transforms. This is how the sunburst mesh was created. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on. I'll show you why we need this plane mesh. I'll show you the material details. Lastly, we need composite nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.